This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kim McAvaney. Fantastic opportunity to own a deeded 40-foot boat slip in the sought-after Mystic Pointe Marina. This slip fits vessels up to 40 beam per deed, on newly replaced floating docks offering excellent stability and easy access. Enjoy 6+ foot depth, direct deepwater access with no fixed bridges, and convenient amenities including 50-amp electrical service, water, dock box storage, parking, shower and laundry facilities, and on-site marina management. Located inside the gated Mystic Pointe community with 24-hour security. No condo ownership required. Water included, monthly and quarterly association fees apply. A great option for boaters or investors. 40 slips in this marina move quickly. For more information, review the details below or contact Kim McAvaney at 954-303-6500.